This is the Cooler Shock Reusable Ice Pack, a long-lasting cooling solution designed to help keep your cooler or lunchbox cold for outdoor adventures and everyday use. These reusable freezer packs are made to fit easily inside coolers, lunch bags, and insulated containers. Simply freeze them before your trip, then place them alongside your food and drinks to help maintain a cold environment for longer. One feature I like is that they're reusable, so you can use them again and again without the mess of melting ice. They also help maximize cooler space since there's no standing water to deal with as the day goes on. These ice packs are a practical choice for camping, fishing trips, beach days, road trips, picnics, and packed lunches. They're also great for keeping snacks and beverages chilled while you're on the go. If you're looking for a reusable alternative to traditional ice that helps keep your cooler organized and your food and drinks cold, the Cooler Shock Reusable Ice Packs are a convenient addition to your outdoor gear.